Welcome to Let's Fix Anything. Of course, please like and subscribe. Share your channel if you like. This video is going to cover removing the hard drive from a Compaq CQ-60 laptop computer and installing it in an external drive case. We'll set this aside for now, but you can revisit that later. Tools required will be a really good Phillips screwdriver. The pencil is just for a pointer. And I have this little guy here. A nice little tool. You can use it for prying as necessary. Let's get started. First thing you want to do, of course, it's not plugged in, is to remove the battery. You have two screws here and here. Remove this one. They have self-retainers on the back side. Turn them until they click. Now for this tool, we gently pry up around the edge. Just little plastic clips, and then it'll slide to the right. And you can set that to the side. Now, the hard drive will have a fastener here, here, and here. Now, I exchange hard drives so frequently that I usually just let them sit in there, and I'll probably put a piece of foam in there. When you're done removing the fasteners, these three fasteners, you gently slide it to the right. And then you lift it up and out. You will now have 4 fasteners on each side. One here and here. And over here and here. You remove those. You will be saving this cover and the screws. Now while we're in here, this right here is also the battery for the CMOS. It is the backup for the BIOS. They go old. This one is dated, ancient times. Now one of the things I like to do is masking tape and a marker and label everything. It really helps the old memory when we go to reassemble it, or if we have multiple drives, which one is which. Now, to reassemble, we gently set it back into place, and there you have it. Now, the same procedure would be used if you're upgrading to an SSD, solid state drive. That's all there is for that. And then, of course, the external drive, as we showed before. Always being gentle. Slide it in. With a little care. I always put a little piece of foam. You can roll up tissue, anything that you want across the back here, and it'll provide a support to keep it from sliding back. We do not want that. Then, of course, you plug in your cable, and then you plug it into your other computer. From there, you can recover any of your files and data that you have on there that's important. Once you have backed up everything and you are confident you have everything, you can then reformat this drive, and this can become your backup storage. I prefer using a magnetic media drive over solid state drives. Solid state drives, when they become corrupted, it's gone forever. there's no hope of recovering it, at least with our current state of technology. Magnetic media, you may not always recover everything, but you can recover a lot. That's it for this video. Again, please like, subscribe, and thank you for visiting. Let's Fix Anything. Have a good day.